Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good. Today we are continue our first lesson, that is human body, and today our topic is organs of the body. Open your books, page number 3. Different parts of the body do different jobs. Each job is done by a special body part or organ. Some of these organs are inside the body and cannot be seen. These are the organs that are present inside the body. First organ is brain, and its function is it controls your body and your actions. Second organ is heart. It pumps blood to all parts of your body. Third organ is lungs. We use lungs to breathe air in and out of the body. Fourth organ is stomach. It helps you digest your food. Important points. Some organs are inside the body and cannot be seen. You have a brain. It controls your body and your actions. You have a heart. It pumps blood to all parts of your body. We have a pair of lungs. You use them to breathe. You have a stomach. It helps you digest your food. Here are some words meaning. Controls mean activity of managing. Pumps mean move up and down. Pair mean set of two similar things. Digest mean convert food into small substances. Breathe mean take air in and out through mouth and nose. Activity number 1. Choose the correct answers. Which part of the body is used to breathe with? Brain, lungs, heart. Lungs. Dash pumps blood to all parts of your body. Heart, stomach, lungs. Heart. Dash helps you digest your food. Stomach, brain, lungs. Stomach. Dash controls your body and your actions. Brain, heart, stomach. Brain. Activity number 2. What work is done by these parts of your body? Heart, brain, lungs, stomach. You have to do this activity in your homework copies. Thank you students. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.